you're experiencing an installation loop with your Nintendo Switch, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. This guide will help you get your device back to normal functioning. Step 1. Power off the device. Begin by completely powering off your Nintendo Switch. Hold down the power button for about 12 seconds until the console shuts down. Wait a few moments before turning it back on. Step 2. Check for updates. Once the device is powered on, navigate to the system settings from the home menu. Scroll down to System and select System Update. Ensure that your Switch is updated to the latest firmware version. Step 3. Free up storage space. Go to System Settings and select Data Management. Check your available storage space and delete any unnecessary games or data to ensure there is enough space for the installation process. Step 4. Reset the console. If the issue persists, consider performing a factory reset. Go to System Settings, select System, and then choose Formatting Options. Select Initialize Console and follow the prompts. Note that this will erase all data on the device, so back up any important information first. Step 5. Contact Nintendo Support. If none of the above steps resolve the installation loop, it may be time to reach out to Nintendo Support for further assistance. They can provide additional troubleshooting steps or help arrange for repairs if necessary. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the installation loop issue on your Nintendo Switch. If problems continue, don't hesitate to seek professional help.